welcome back to my channel. I am Lexi, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about what makes you miss someone. Whether you're crushing on a new guy, whether you're in a relationship, whether you want to get back with your ex, or if you're married, I'm going to give you some pointers and some tricks on how to make him miss you. So let's get to it. Strategy number 1 is make him wait before you return his calls or his text messages. If you're like most women, when we get that text or we get that call, obviously we want to reply right away. Maybe we've been waiting for that message for a while. But in reality, you want them to know that you're not sitting right next to your phone waiting for that message or that call. Men really love the chase, so they don't really want you to make it easy for them. So make him wait twice as long as he took to reply back to you the last time you talked. Number 2, be the first to end the conversation. After making him wait, he's eventually going to contact you if he really likes you. Be the first one to hang up the phone and have him be the last one to send you that text. Number 3, you can stop communication. I know it's really hard to not reach out to that person, especially if you're missing him. But if you really want to be in constant communication with him and you really want him to miss you, then give him the time to miss you. But if you continue to be the one that's always reaching out, then you're not giving him the time to really miss you. Number 4 is romantic texts. It's okay for you to send messages to remind him for him to miss you. But then don't go really overboard, because then you're gonna really look and seem desperate. Avoid text bombing. What that is you just keep writing long paragraphs of sentence after sentence after sentence and then not giving him the time to even reply back to your text message. What if he's at work or he's busy? Give him some time to respond and don't blow up his phone. Number 6 is treat him like a friend and not like a flame. Treat him like a good friend and not like somebody that's keeping your mind occupied the entire day. Hold the feelings that you have for him, even though if it's really hard. When he realizes he doesn't have a hold on you, things are gonna turn around and then now you're gonna be on his mind. Number 7 is add a little mystery. If you want him to miss you, you have to keep a little for yourself. Don't give him all your deepest, darkest secrets on the first sitting. Guys love a little bit of mystery. Let him ask questions, entertain him, tease him a little. They tend to lose interest when they know everything about you. They think they already conquered you and you don't excite them anymore. Remember, they love the chase and definitely a little bit of challenge. Alright guys, this is the end of my video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.